Patients are not coming again as a patient because I give talk to them. At least my patient and their family should be healthy. Now these people, they are very old patient of mine. How many years old? 20 years old patients. They came from some other disorders now. But as per them, they stop taking all the medications. They are not touching any allopathy medicines. Am I right? So they are healthy. So they never come back to me. Only when they got vaccination and all of the problem, now people started coming back because they suffered with vaccination. They started coming. My old patient I can see in these days because only of vaccination they got some problems, pains and everything, and they come to me. So now I started doing now new advertisement. We are planning to do new advertisement. Please take vaccination. You must take vaccination. Don't worry, I am there for you to treat the problems after vaccination. That will boom even the medical system because I am only talking against. And people will take vaccination and will get lot patient. Why I should worry? If I have to think of my business, why I should worry? I should stop this type of talk. After giving this type of talks, 50% of the patient gets alright and they become healthy, and future they never come because they keep them healthy. But if I have to see my business, I should not give this talk. Because I am giving talk everywhere. My talks are more than my treatment. Everywhere my camps and talks are going on continuously. And because of that talks, those people get healthy. They never come as a patient. My talks are going in the Maharashtra and everywhere, every area. Even abroad I have given talks, Bahrain and all areas, Gulf countries I have given talk. They were coming as a patient for me regularly. They stopped coming now. They are keeping healthy. I am not worried. Whatever food, anyhow, I am not eating much more. I am a diabetic patient. I am just like animal taking grass more. No food like you. And in these days, I am very happy to tell you, my sugar control is just 140, 159. Today it was 160 fasting. Where it was to be 440, 240, 250, that was my sugar level going. In these days, strictly I have taken one very healthy food, that is only salad. What I am taking? Only green salad. But green salad, kudke kudun kai na? What a designing kudun. So Josna is preparing nice design, round designs like noodles, kya naam sagle cutting karta. So in that, cabbage, onion, tomato, and kothambir. Put lime in that, not little I am eating, bowl food. They take food plate borun, now bowl full. Tapi nilda sudah share karna pada. It is my food. I take it. Within 15 minutes I feel totally free, like no tension on my body, no tension on my stomach to digest. All food is digestive. They are self fibers, but they are digestive. Kasle जेवण जेवलं जर digest करपाक हे खावचो पडटा green salad. I am eating that only, so there is no point of digesting energy required from body to remove and digest my food. Our maximum energy required for our body is to digest our food. Am I right? I am coming on the main topic if everybody is here. Our health is depend on our stomach. There is a stomach here that is controlling our full body. Tatun तुम्ही poison घाले, body will be poisonous. If you put good food inside, you are healthy. Example, आधी motorcycle चलयताले. Petrol was costly at that time, earning was also less. So people used to put kerosene, am I right? And use the fat scooter. आवाज येता फटा 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 करून. But people were going with that kerosene, am I right? Because very low cost. But what was the future of that vehicle? Kabar. Vehicle kabar. Petrol तो फायदो करपाक सोदताले. Because it is not designed for that, vehicle gets spoiled. मागीर रोखडेच ते रिपेरिंगाक येता मागीर सगळे पिस्टन सगळे फुट्टात चेंज करचे पडटा. Our body is designed for veg food. What we are putting in that? Non-veg food, which is not digestible inside. The full body energy is utilized for just digestion, and after eating food you feel tired. अरे food खायना बरोबर energetic जाऊन जाय. If it is energy food, so after eating this food, why you are getting the loss of energy? Because the undigestible food you are putting inside, and you are trying body to digest it. How it will able to digest? Am I right? Important thing, our body is not designed for non-veg food, and I will give you simple example which you should tell everybody at home. This is my, so don't take non-veg is very easy to tell, but when we tell why not to take, and when you understand the body logic, then you will able to know what is actually reason behind why I am telling not to eat non-veg food. Our body is not designed for non-veg food, so I am giving you some examples. Am I right? Some examples. You know, we got teeth which are straight. Close your eyes and think of all the animals like cow, horse, anybody who is eating vegetables. They are all having straight teeth. What type of teeth we got? Straight teeth. All the animals like dog, tiger, who are taking the non-veg food, they got canine teeth, strong canine teeth. They can tear flesh. Kakun khau sakta. They tear. If you got that capacity of tearing the flesh directly, you can eat. You will never find any tiger, if you put them anything to eat, they will not eat directly. Unless until imprisonment, that is different. But anywhere, if the tiger see anybody dead, deer, they will never attack. They will run. They will use full energy. Then only if they will able to get that particular deer, then they will able to eat. They never eat dead or anybody. Why? Their energy utilization is important. कोंबडीत खावपाक तुमकां एलाव करूं आमच्या. केन्ना कोंबडे फाटल्यान धांवूंक जाय, कोंबडीक धरपाक जाय, धरपाक मेळ्ळें जाल्यार थंयच्या थंय कापून ताका मारून खावपाचें. Go behind any animal which you like to eat, run behind, catch hold, cut and eat if you got power of that. If you don't have, then you should not eat. Your energy should be used, no? Am I right or wrong? Secondly, see the leaves. When we drink water, we use leaves. Am I right? Don't waparta. All the animals who are veg, they use leaves. Mouth waparta udak piyopa. And all the animals like dog, cat and all who are non-veg eater, they use tongue. तुम्ही जिभेन पाणी पिऊ शकता कोण? Then you can, if you can drink water by tongue, then you can eat anything. So we are in that level, that particular range of animals. Third thing I will tell you, you know, we got these jaws which are moving like this. Whatever I am telling you, it is proved by me and it is internationally accepted. We can do like this. Cow can do like this. Horse can do like this. Am I right? Dogs, tiger, all the non-veg eaters, they cannot do like this. They can only do like this. Their jaws are fixed tight. Then only they can catch and eat. Amche jaws are weak. They are movable. So when you eat chicken, you know, what happens? The joints get damaged. Tear करताना damage जाता. Lot of people come with the joint problem. Why? Because they use force on that. आमचे लाईट फूड खावपाची कॅपॅसिटी आहा ताका आमी हार्ड फूड दितात खावपाक. So we cannot move this. We can move this, but tiger cannot move this. They got totally stiff. They can carry it and catch hold of that. So our jaws are also not designed. So this body is not designed for non-veg. I am again telling you. So we get health problem. Now one more thing I will tell you. I can tell you hundreds of things, but I am telling you few of the things so that you will know why. When I tell about this body is not designed for non-veg, then people talk lot things internally. They think why doctor says like this. But I am giving you examples. You know our saliva. If you get saliva, correct saliva, you can put the wet food inside. It will get dissolved. But if you put flesh, anything, mass, mutton, it doesn't get dissolved. Take tiger saliva and put the flesh inside, it will get dissolved. So our saliva is also not designed for non-veg food. So food node is coming on our stomach. Because whenever things which are going inside, the brain puts inside information that something which is there which is not digestible. So it put more acid. We got only acid. We don't have anything else. So hydrochloric acid, these juices we are trying to put into liver, gallbladder, काम करता. दाट रहते हैं, अनिल दाट. ये दुनिया आप पटाते. Still the food is there inside. Please put more. Still brain feels there is something in the stomach. He will try to put more acid. Am I right? And when we say we are having acidity problem, because the flesh is not dissolved by our saliva, so acid is put more and more to dissolve. So this more acid which is there will try to damage our internal layer of the stomach. Then we get ulcers. So we will have the stomach pain. Once stomach pain, then the stomach will try to throw it out fast. So indigestion. You understand? And when this acid is going inside the stomach more, it passes inside the gut. Absorption of the acid is there in the blood. So blood will be acidic. So once the blood is acidic, wherever the blood goes, acidic blood goes, you will get that problems. Then doctors will name the disorder because they don't know what is the actual cause behind the disorder. If that acidic blood goes in the eyes, you will get eyes pain. If the acidic blood goes in the head, you will get the headache, migraine problem. Name will be there. Medical doctors will give you name and medicines for temporary relief because they don't know root cause. Root cause is yourself. When the same acidic blood goes in the nose, what you will get? Sinusitis problem. Shiko etlo. Shiko कित्याक येता? Because irritation, acidic blood is there and that particular mucosal linings are there. ताका acid चलना. Smooth blood जाय. When it is acidic, it can irritated, then we get sneezing. Whenever brain thinks there is wrong things inside, it will try to throw. That is called sneezing. When the acidic blood goes in the lungs, you will get lungs problem because lungs are trying to throw this and remove the acid and clear the blood. When it is going in the kidney, again the kidney functions in dangerous way. And they try to throw everything from liver is trying to remove from blood throw from kidney, from urine. Then you will get hot urine. You will get yellow urine. Am I right? Then urine problems. If the blood is going, the acidic blood is going in the skin level, then what you get? Skin rashes, घाव पडतात, घावे जाता, medical will treat you in different disorders. Root cause is where? From your stomach. Who has done that? Our own self. Am I right or wrong? So who is making problem? Your own hands, killing your own system of our body. You know, we got tongue. That tongue has got two jobs. One is talking, what I do. And second is taste. So my motto and my wordings is famous abroad. Control your tongue, everything will be okay. Control your tongue. One is speech. If you talk good things, sweet things with the people, you are good in the society. If you have control on the tongue, you will be good in society. To guy mari chalo bad words and in rough stuff long laglo, you are not good in society. Am I right? So control of tongue. Second control is in the taste. If you control your tongue with the taste, then you will be internally good. So control your tongue for external and internal. Every problem will be solved. That we don't have. Maka samosa आवडता. माझ्या नवऱ्यात तोंड सगळे राहिले. काय त्याचे नाव घेतलं म्हणून जाण्याची. सामोसा आवडता. दुतोरण सामोसा घेतले. मग 4 तरी घातले. 4 सामोसा खाल्ले. ओके. नेक्स्ट डे पिंपल्स आले. तकली दुखूंक लागली. दोतोर असा सुईला येता निवाळा येता. नो प्रॉब्लेम. You are here, I can treat you. But till when? Your body will start collapsing. Am I right? माका जर सामोसा हांगा दवरलो जाल्यार पयलो म्हाका ब्रेन सांगता खाव नाका, एसिडिटी प्रॉब्लेम खाव नाका. म्हाका आवडटा तो. भावान मुद्दो हाडल्या आसूं जग मार पडपाक खावया. Then you get acidity problem. Am I right? भावान हाडल्या म्हणून हांव आवाज दिलो. रूच आयला म्हाका. ब्रेन पयलो सांगता तुका. यू आर टेलिंग युअर फर्स्ट माइंड टेलिंग यू. The first mind telling you that don't eat, but your second mind is cheater. There are two minds in, we got two minds. दोन मन असता आमका. Am I right or wrong? You know or no? We got two minds. First mind is the best, which is your own. Tells you actually what you should do and what you should not do. Second mind is a cheater. Is against first mind. ताणे सांगले खाऊ नका. खा रे तू काय जायना. खाता. And then we suffer. You understand? कोण आयलो मनीस आणि तुझ्याकडे पैसे मागले. तुझे फर्स्ट थॉट आयलो मनात. दिव नाका फोटिंगा. दुसऱ्यांदा दी रे तू पुढे केन्ना उपयोगाक पडटलो तो. And you give. Then you suffer. If your first mind says, give him, give. Don't worry about what will happen. This is my 100% guaranteed research. If you go on the road, and if you cross the road, highway now, if your first mind says cross, run, you run. If your first mind says don't, please, and if second mind, I cannot, very pouchinanga, you go. And if you are, you will have accident 101%. I have checked it so many times. So if first mind says run, you run. If first mind says don't, you don't. Please take this note. This is my research which I have done years together. So go according your first mind. आता mind सांगता तुका आज पोट बरें ना खाऊ नका म्हणून. Don't eat if it is good food also. If your mind says that don't eat, then you eat. If don't eat, don't eat. I am telling it with 100% research done by myself for years together. So here, please listen to your first mind. कोण चोरी आयले मोगान पडटा असं दिसलं, if your mind says this is good girl, 100% you go with her. If your mind says this girl is not good for you, and because all people say this bad girl, you please don't go. Because your mind knows to get information from everything. Your brain is such a like computer, your brain is like computer, knows everything. You want your water, only one thing, water, and telling you about water, then you go. When we want water for our body, brain tells you, start thirst, and you ask for water. हांव तुका बरें बिजलीचें उदक दिलें, एक ग्लास दिलें, I have given you one glass. दोतोर आनी एक ग्लास दी म्हणटा, हांवें दुसरो ग्लास दिलो, दोतोर आनीक दी म्हणटा, हांवें परत तिसरो ग्लास दिलो, म्हारगायेचें उदक बिजलीचें, हो पेशंट पियेत रावल्या, हांव दिलें तुका परत ग्लास भरून, तूं इतकें पियेता, मागीर उरिल्ले 7 ग्लास वेस्ट करता म्हजो, यू आर वेस्टिंग माय वॉटर ऑफ फुल ग्लास, यू आर टेकिंग ओनली वन स्वीप. I said take no बस म्हणटा तूं. Your brain tells you this is enough now. Till then 2 glass you have taken, but third glass you have taken, but you have taken only one sweep, one, because your brain tells you that this much is enough. How smart our brain works. When there is thirst, it will create water. When there is water needed, it will create thirst. Take water, then you will pass urine. There are a lot of people who are not taking water only because they will have to pass urine and no time is there. I am in the busy schedule, or when I am outside I cannot go anywhere in toilet. In India you cannot see toilet in every areas. Like in foreign countries, every 500 meters you will find one toilet there. But here you will not get, so lot of people are not drinking water because they cannot go to toilet. Drinking water is very, very important. You know, when there is rain or anything bahar येता पळय, then उदक व्हांवता सगळे, रानांसून उदक व्हांवता, everywhere water flows, it takes everything with. पूर येता पळय, flood येता, you know, while flood taking everything, water can take everything with. So when you are taking water inside, it try to take all the things, all the toxics inside and throw out of your urine. So maximum water. How much water you drink? I said I am taking doctor lot water. I am taking at least 1 liter of water per day. Arey Baba, 1 liter is not enough for body. Body requires 2.5 liter water, goes from sweat and so many things. It requires at least 3 liters water to compensate regular water. For 24 hours you must put in your name 3 bottles of water minimum. You can take 4 but don't take 12. I told this talk, and one patient started taking 12 liter of water and then he exhausted because maximum even his minerals and everything is gone away. Don't do excess. Do according to the science how I am telling you. I am telling you that take around 3 liters of water is enough for your body. Day, night, even at night, if your sleeping is getting disturbed, okay, don't drink. But take in the morning at least 1.25 liter of water. How much? 1.25 liter of water in the copper vessel. At night, make hot water, boil water and put in the copper vessel. Copper has got that particular ingredients which passes in the water, which is digestive. So if you take water in the copper vessel, then you get whatever required for digestion. So 1.25, at least minimum 1 liter of jar of copper. Don't take steel but copper, and put hot water, boil inside. Morning it will be cold. Take in the glass full water of 1 liter and 0.25 liter. But you must drink water, not gulp. Okay? No. Drinking water should feel. You should feel water drinking. Take sip by sip and flow it slowly. Enjoy the water. Enjoy the water. It may take 10 minutes. Enjoy the water. If you got eye pain and redness in the eye, you can try this. Take that water in the mouth, fill it in the eyes, then swallow it slowly. Within 5 minutes, you will find the heat is going off. This is what I am trying. If you got anything heat here, drink water, feel that slowly going down. Relax yourself. Water should flow smoothly inside. No, 1 liter सांगला दोतर. 1 liter. There is no use. I am teaching you the every way. Okay. I am teaching you all the ways of you, and I am not telling like others that only drink water. I am teaching you how to take water. You just drink water, feel it. Cook water, this food in copper vessel. Cook food in the mud vessels. Nowadays people are started, big person, I am not taking name, big person, Ambani also, see his kitchen, they are using old style, all mud utensils they use. They have kept that particular thing still today because that is for health. Copper and brass when you are using, kolai kattale jana to ami, kolai katte patta, zinc coating should be given, zinc coating. ते वरस भर येता zinc coating, परत काटचे पडटा ती कटकटी काय तेम भायर उडयले आनी कितें घेतले, स्टील घेतले. Can you imagine in corona stage what doctors are telling? Take zinc tablet. Hey, you are the people who taught us to remove zinc from our life. We removed zinc and used steel, which is poisonous. And zinc was going for full family per year 2 times. More and more food you cook, that much it will go slowly and slowly in your food and in your health. So, what is useful? Non-stick. ताका non-stick म्हणटा न्ही, तातूंत कितें कितें भायर येता, just go through your Google now, everything is available on Google. What are the poisonous things from non-stick? You will find ample amount of thing which is cancerous. Never boil milk in the steel and even in the aluminium. You know what is aluminium actually? Came from? You know the story of history of aluminium? Yeah? It was designed by foreign countries for slaves and for the prisoners, where they were to kill them slowly. They were giving this food with that aluminium, so that slowly that poison will go in you and you will slowly die. And now we are all these prisoners, we are dying with the same utensil we use. Steel and the boil kele, steel you can use for preserving. Cook and put it in the thing and keep it, no problem for serving. But cooking in the steel vessel gives you poisonous reaction. I can tell you ample amounts of things which we were using before and we thrown it out and we are sufferers. You understand? So try to use now this type of vessels. Let people use anything. Now the style is changed now. I mean, खूप तेंपापासून मातयेच्या बुडकुल्यान रांदतात. कोणूय आयले मातयेच्या बुडकुल्यान रांदतात. आता style. People from abroad also they take. Everywhere you get online also now. The people started bringing. Anyhow, the cycle has come back. The things will come back. So new future may start again the old things which were used. All the foreigners are coming in India. They are learning yoga. They are learning all spiritual knowledge, and they say your Mahabharata, your Vedas have got everything. Why you are mainly taking Western culture? Please preserve your own cultures. And now we are learning in foreign countries and America, they started teaching Vedas. They started compulsory yogas. And we people forgot. Kind of forgotten. Okay? These cotton clothes were Indian clothes. We started all foreign and they start using our dhoti and all. Their aeration is required. Tight pant घाली पॅन्ट बाहेर टाकूच जायना दुसऱ्या मोडची पडटा बाबा माझ्या एक पेशंट आयलो ट्रीटमेंट करपाक त्याची पॅन्ट तो काडटा वळत ना इतकी सकयल टायट सारकी क्षण हांव दोनदां ओढलो तरी पण हांव करूं ना यू अंडरस्टँड पूण अशी घालता कशें तूं घालप जाता कशें डॉक्टर काडटना मातशें त्रास जाता द स्टायल and we are sufferer because aeration is not there, muscles are having the suffocation inside, taka freeness na. Use those things which are old, go to the old age generation, what they were using, that cultures you start using, you will be healthy. वॉमान दूध दिवंक सुरवात केली आमी ल्हानपणान आमच्या टायमार आमच्या भुरग्यांक वाटी चमच्यान दूध दिताले दोतोर म्हणालो बोम वापरूंक जाय वॉमान दिया वाटी चमच्यान दूध दिया आवयक दूध दिवपाक सुद्दां अराउंड 50 years back किंवा 40 years back दूध दिवपाक बंदी हाडटाले and now same doctors are telling feed म्हणून mothers feeding is necessary म्हणून that drops of blood milk is important so important is how you feed how you take your body तुमकां सांगता हांव जेन्ना सांगता नॉन वेजा बद्दल उलयता न्ही इट इज बॅड म्हणून आय एम गिविंग यू सिंपल एग्जांपल when there is wedding not like आमचे असले न्ही not low category high five person giving 5-star hotel party दिता all non-veg plates are there full non-veg dishes are there okay you enjoyed your wedding सगळे खाले बरे खाले okay all at home if you are it is all energetic food next day you should be like elephant strong do lot of work am I right but can you do anything next day you say I am taking holiday now I am feeling tired am I right not because late only because your food what you are taking that digest करपाक body full energy use करून थकली full night tomorrow you are tired because your own energy is utilized to digest that unnecessary food same food I am taking now green vegetables salad night what I am taking boiled vegetable beautiful dista tasty मजा येता खावपाक डेली तेच कर म्हणटा so that food itself when you see the photographs you know any hotels if you go there are photographs in your hotel place me all the red chicken here then ustes papleta red gravy food see mind and then sideways put all the photos of green vegetable salad this that and watch your brain will attract your nature your liking what you go here khaya am I right and then what happens your body is getting spoiled your mind says not good right looking like ekdam red acidic and when you see that photographs after food if you take this worst food you take green salad if you don't know at least see green photos of the salad you will feel relaxed am I right or no to try this ते मेनू कार्डार फोटो असतात न्ही बॅड फूड खाले काय ना जर ऑर्डर दिवपाची ना जाल्यार ग्रीन फुडाचे फक्त फोटोग्राफ पळय लायक करून यू विल फाइंड आय मिस दिस फूड सो दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फूड